Hey everyone, so I'm here with an easy DIY 5 minutes phone case tutorial. If you have a clear phone case like mine, pretty boring, and you want to make it look a little bit pretty, all you need to do is, place your phone case against a clean sheet of paper, sketch it out, cut it out, and this basically produces a stencil for your phone case. Now when you do this, you also have to go get a background pattern of your choice. I have a paw pattern because I like puppies, I like dogs, and then get that pre-cut out stencil, place it against it, trace it out, and then cut it out again. When you're cutting it out, do not forget to cut out the eyelet for your camera and your fingerprint space. Now get your phone case and then place the new background stencil inside your clear case, and yeah, you have before you a not so ugly phone case anymore. I think this is actually really pretty. If you like this, if you like to recreate this, do this and let me know what you guys think.